FocalML AI has just been released, and it's quickly making waves in the AI software world. In this review, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about FocalML, including what makes it stand out and whether it's worth your time. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can try this game-changing AI software for free, using the first link below. If you're new to AI software, understanding FocalML's capabilities might be a game changer for your business or digital marketing strategies. This platform claims to bring deep insights and automation that can turbocharge your workflows. So let's dive into the 7 most important things to know. First, FocalML simplifies the complex world of machine learning. Unlike other tools that require deep technical expertise, this platform offers a user-friendly interface designed for marketers, entrepreneurs, and even beginners. You don't need to be a data scientist to get started. The intuitive dashboard lets you set up campaigns, analyze data, and automate tasks with just a few clicks. For anyone looking to streamline operations without getting lost in code, this could be a huge win. Another standout feature is FocalML's predictive analytics. The software doesn't just analyze historical data, it forecasts trends and behaviors based on AI models. This is especially valuable for marketing and sales teams, as it can help you understand customer behavior, anticipate market shifts, and adapt in real time. If you're tired of guessing and want to make data-driven decisions, this predictive power could give you an edge. FocalML also excels in customer segmentation. By leveraging machine learning, the platform creates highly accurate customer segments, allowing businesses to target their audiences more effectively. With this feature, you'll be able to fine-tune your marketing strategies and deliver personalized experiences that convert. Instead of blasting your message to everyone, you can send tailored content to the right people at the right time, boosting engagement and ultimately sales. The automation capabilities are another game changer. FocalML integrates seamlessly with existing tools and software, enabling automation of repetitive tasks. From sending personalized emails to optimizing ad campaigns, you can set rules and let the software handle the rest. This means less manual effort and more time to focus on the big picture, like scaling your business. But let's talk about the learning curve. Many AI tools are notorious for being difficult to get the hang of, but with FocalML, the learning curve is minimal. The platform offers extensive tutorials and support, making it easy for anyone to pick up and use effectively. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, you'll find it simple to integrate FocalML into your workflow. Another key benefit of FocalML is its scalability. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, this AI tool grows with your business. The platform is designed to scale its capabilities to meet the needs of companies of all sizes. So, as your business expands, FocalML adapts to handle larger datasets, more complex campaigns, and broader marketing strategies without skipping a beat. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects, FocalML's competitive pricing. Compared to other high-end AI tools on the market, FocalML offers excellent value for money, especially when you consider the full range of features and the fact that you can try it for free using the link below. This could be one of the most affordable AI software options available. If you're new to AI, or if you're looking for a robust platform that can take your digital marketing efforts to the next level, FocalML might be the perfect fit. The combination of ease of use, powerful predictive analytics, and seamless automation puts this software on a different level. To sum up, FocalML is an incredible tool that can streamline your processes, make smarter predictions, and save you time on manual tasks. And remember, you can try it for free through the first link below, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've compiled a list of my top recommended AI software, and you'll find those in the description too. Check them out to take your business or marketing efforts to the next level. Don't miss out. Click that link below to try FocalML and see what it can do for you.